G money rise, G money rise. Yeah. Can't slow down, might get a speed ticket. G money rides, known for popping Wheelies. Cops pull me over, then they let me go. Catch me if you can, or eat my dust, bro. G money rides, G money rides.
Okay, so while I got a minute here and it's kind of calm and quiet, I'm only using one camera. It's the Hero 2018. I had to send the 7 Black back because it like died. It refused to turn on. So it's only going to be the Hero 18, and you can't plug an external mic in on that. So for a few, maybe a couple of weeks, 3 weeks, you're not gonna hear me very well, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is, and I'll deal with it. This is going to be a little road adventure. I'm actually in Muscatine right now, heading to someplace some people will be interested in, and some people will be like not very interested in. So we'll see. All right, back at you soon. Fuck you, Kappa! Fuck you! Hey man, what's happening?
What's going on, bro?
Breaking into suit!
Are you recording right now?
Oh yeah!
Making a video?
Oh yeah!
When is it gonna be posted?
Oh fuck, it'll be a little while, you know, takes a while to gather content, so I don't know, maybe sometime this coming weekend, or maybe first of next week. I'll get you on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you think, man?
That's good. Looks good.
Yeah? Cool.
So 1,000, right? You got 1,000?
700.
Let me record you doing a wheelie.
Going straight, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, get a little bit in front of me and I'll come fucking flying by you. I know a cop just went that way though too. So, hey, so it'll be early. It'll be right at the beginning here.